Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add your mother to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your profile page. This is where you can manage all your personal information and settings. Next, you'll want to find the About section on your profile. Scroll down a bit and you will see various tabs. Click on About to enter that section. In the About section, look for the Family and Relationships tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Family Member. Click on this option to proceed with adding your mother. Now, a new window will pop up prompting you to enter the name of the family member you wish to add. Type in your mother's name in the search bar. Facebook will suggest names based on what you type, so select her profile from the list that appears. After selecting her name, it's time to specify the relationship. From the drop-down menu next to Relationship, choose Mother. This step is crucial, as it defines how she will be listed on your profile. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully added your mother as a family member on Facebook. Now that she's added, her profile will be visible in your family section, allowing friends and connections to see this important relationship. This not only enhances your profile, but also helps in connecting with family members more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Facebook efficiently. Thank you for watching and enjoy connecting with your family online.